Now let's talk about the VLOOKUP function. I want to use an example to show everybody how to use this function. Health insurance is definitely a big part of an employee's benefit. When you go look for jobs, sometimes you can negotiate with companies, and they will agree to pay part of your insurance payment. Suppose your insurance payment is $100 totally. If a company agrees to pay 10% of it, then you only need to pay $90 out of your own pocket. Because employees have different insurance plans, a human resource manager needs an application to precisely calculate how much the company should contribute to each employee's insurance payment according to the employee's total insurance payment and the employee's insurance policy code. This is what we try to accomplish in this application. Let's take a look at this spreadsheet. We have two tables in this spreadsheet. On the left, we have the main table. In this table, we record the employees' names, insurance codes, and the total insurance payment. In the F column, we should calculate how much the company needs to contribute to each employee's insurance. On the right, we have a smaller table. This table holds the insurance policy code and the percentage that the company should contribute under the code. So this table is like a dictionary when we want to find what is the percentage the company should contribute. We bring in the insurance code into this table, look it up, and then find the percentage the company should contribute. Now let's click on cell F3. We want to use the VLOOKUP function to calculate how much the company should contribute to the first employee. In F3, I want to type in $VLOOKUP and then parentheses. Between the parentheses, the first value I want to input is the employee's insurance code. So I click on cell D3. This is where the insurance code is, D3, and then a comma. The next value I want to input is the range of the dictionary table. So I want to select the range from cell H3 to cell I6. This is the range where the dictionary table is. Because the dictionary table is always in this upper right corner, so I want to use absolute reference to fix the position. $H, $3, and then $I, $6, and then a comma. The next value I want to give the VLOOKUP function is the column position of the returning value in the dictionary table. When I bring in the insurance code into this dictionary, I look it up, and then I find the different percentage the company should contribute. All the percentages are in the second column of the dictionary table. So in the VLOOKUP function, for the third value, I type in 2, and then a comma. The last parameter asks us, do we want to use approximate lookup or exact lookup? Remember, in this class, we always use exact lookup. So we type in a value false to indicate we want to use exact lookup. The entire VLOOKUP function means we want to bring in the insurance code in cell D3 into the range H3 to I6. Look it up. If we can find the code in this range, we want to bring in the percentage in the second column back to cell F3 in the main table. And we want to use exact lookup. Now we bring in the percentage back to the main table. But in cell F3, we want to calculate how much money the company should contribute. So we should use the percentage to multiply the employee's total insurance payment, which is in cell E3. So we type in an asterisk and then click on cell E3. and then press Enter button on your keyboard. Let's double check. The first employee's total insurance payment is $300, and his insurance code is HOOE. So let's look it up. HOOE represents the company need to contribute 25% of the employee's insurance payment. 300 multiply 25%, the result should be $75. So this is the correct answer. We can drag the autofill button of F3 to the rest of the cells in the F column. As you can see, the VLOOKUP function is pretty useful. And when you use this VLOOKUP function, always remember that we want to use absolute reference to look up the dictionary's location. We don't want the range of the dictionary change.